G. If AG is given 6 centimeter, BE equal 12.6 centimeter, and FG equal 3 centimeter, then find the length of AD, GE, and GC. Okay. In previous video, we were discuss about median divides the line segment in ratio 2:1. Okay. According to that identity, median divide in ratio 2:1. So we solve out, find out AD, GE, and GC. Okay. According to question, the median AD, BE, and CF. We draw a triangle. Okay. Triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, AD is first median, BE is second median, and CF is a third median. CF is a third median. Okay. Now, intersecting point is a G. Okay. So, we know that fixed point or centroid of a circle divide its median in the ratio 2:1. Therefore, AG upon GD, BG upon GE, CF upon FG 2:1. AG upon GD 2:1, BG upon GE, CG upon GF 2:1. Okay. Therefore, so mention AG upon GD, AG upon GD 2:1. Okay. This one also mention reverse GD upon AG 1/2 also mention na. This one is also mention, or GD upon AG 1:2. AG upon GD 2:1. It's reverse GD upon AG 1/2, 1:2. Okay. Adding 1 on both side. Adding +1 on both side. Means adding +1 on both side. So mention AG upon GD +1, 2 upon 1 +1. It means GD upon AG +1, 1/2 +1. Okay. Now, next step, taking LCM. LCM is AG is LCM. So, AG cancel out GD. AG multiply 1. AG equal, here right hand side LCM is 2. So, mention LCM 2. Upper part 1 + 2, 1 + 2. Solve out GD plus AG. GD plus AG. It means GD and AG. AD BC BEG and CF. AG plus GD. It means this one is AD total part na. So mention here GD plus AG. GD plus AG means AD upon AG as it is 1 + 2, 3/2. Okay. Here we calculate value of AD. So value of AD, according to question we find out value of AD na. So AD mention as it is AG. AG equal value of AG. Value of AG is given. Value of AG is given. So AG equal 6. Mention AG equal 6. AD as it is 3/2 as it is. By cross multiplication. AD multiply 2, so 2AD. 3 multiply 6, 18. Value of AD, we calculate value of AD. AD equal 18 divided by 2. 18 divided by 2 means 9 centimeter. 18 divided by 2 means 9 centimeter answer. first value calculate AD, second value GE. GE means GE. Similarly, BG upon GE, 2:1. So here we calculate value of AD na. AD equal 3/2, 3/2 AG. So BE equal 3/2 BG. It means similarly BG upon GE, 2:1. We know that. Then adding +1 on both side, +1. Here LCM, taking LCM is GE. So BG plus GE divided by GE. Here LCM is 1, so 2 plus 1. BG plus GE, total part BE. BG plus GE, total part BE. So here mention BE upon GE as it is equal 2 plus 1, 3 upon 1. We calculate value of GE and BE is given in question. Value of BE is given 12.6. So by cross multiplication 3GE equal BE and value of BE is given in question 12.6. So G equal 12.6 divided by 3. Cancel out 4.2 centimeter. Value of G we get 4.2 centimeter. Next, calculate CG. Similar CG upon GF. 2:1. Therefore 2:1 CG calculate. So cross multiplication CG into 1 CG, 2 GF. Value of GF given in question 3 is given. So 2 into 3. So CG equal, we get CG equal 6 centimeter. Answer. Okay student, similar question 7 in exercise 10.2. Similar example. Okay, you solve, try yourself. Okay, now question number second is find the locus of a point equidistant from the 3 vertices and sides of a triangle. Okay, find the locus of equidistant point. It means given triangle is given na, side of triangle. So we let triangle ABC is given. Triangle ABC is given. Let triangle ABC. Therefore, what will be prove? That type of question we were discussing in previous video. First given part mention, second to prove part mention, third proof or construction or solution. Okay, therefore given part is a triangle ABC, triangle given, we let triangle is ABC. Now to prove, what will be prove? Locus of a point equidistance from 3 vertices. Locus of a point equidistance from vertices and side of a triangle. Okay, now proof. Solution, we solve question. So we solve first, we draw a triangle ABC. So mention triangle ABC. Okay, now we know that midpoint of AB is D and D is equidistant from A and B. Okay, here we mention triangle ABC and we mention midpoint of AB is D and midpoint of AC is E. Okay, we let midpoint of AB is D and midpoint of AC is E. Okay, now okay, so midpoint of AD is AB is D, midpoint of AC is E. Now D and E. Here center we let fixed center point is O. So OD perpendicular on AB, OE is perpendicular on AC. Okay, mention we know that midpoint of AD is D and D is equidistant from A and B. Similarly, E is equidistant from A and C. Therefore, similarly, E is midpoint of AC and E is equidistance from A and C. Na A and C bisect. Therefore, OD is perpendicular bisect on AB and OE is perpendicular bisect on AC and equidistance from a O. Similar na? O is OD is perpendicular on AB, OE is perpendicular on AC, mention, and D is equidistant from A and B, E is equidistant from A and C. These lines mentioned here, okay? Therefore, hence, the point of intersection O of perpendicular bisector of AB and AC is equidistant from all three vertices of triangle ABC. It means fixed point O is equidistant from A, B and C. All three vertices. Thus, the required locus is the center O of circumcircle triangle ABC. Locus of a point is equidistance from all three vertices of triangle is a circumcenter or a centroid. Okay, it means in simple way, O is fixed center point, D is midpoint, D is equidistance from A and B, E is equidistance from A and C. O is also equidistance from A, B and C. Therefore, OD is perpendicular on AB, OE is perpendicular on AC. Thus, the required condition is O is equidistance from all three vertices and it is a circumcenter and a centroid. Clear? Next question is question number 3. Important question from exam point of view. In a triangle, medians AD, BE and CF intersect each other at G. Then prove that AD plus BE greater than 3/2 AB. Hint is given AG plus BG greater than AB. Means two medians in a triangle. Sum of two medians is greater than third one is given. Okay. First, according to this type question, mention given part to prove or proof. So given part is AD, BE and CF are three median of triangle ABC which intersect each other at point G given in question. So mention as it is. What will be proved? AD plus BE greater than 3/2 AB mention as it is. Proof. Now proof part. First we draw triangle ABC. Okay. In triangle ABC mention AD first median. AD perpendicular on BC, BE perpendicular on AC, CF perpendicular on AB. Okay, three medians and these three medians intersect each other at point G. Okay, now mention we know that median divide the line segment. In 2:1. Okay, so AG upon GD 2/1. Adding 1 on both side. Okay, now it's reverse means GD upon AG 1/2, GD upon AG 1/2. Adding +1 on both side, so adding +1 on both side. It means first we calculate value of AD, then we calculate value of BE, and third one is calculate value of CF. Okay, and according to proveness, what will be proved? Why we calculate AD and BE? Because we prove AD plus BE. AD plus a BE. So first we calculate value of AD, then we calculate value of a BE according to proveness. Okay. Now taking LCM. LCM is AG. AG mention upper part GD plus AG. GD plus AG. Here taking LCM is 2. Upper part 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. Okay. Now GD plus AG. GD and AG. Total AD. So mention AD upon AG. AG as it is. 1 plus 2 3. 3 by 2 as it is. Okay. Now here value of AD. Value of AD is 3 by 2 into AG. So value of AD equal 3 by 2 into AG. 3 by 2 into AG. Okay. Equation first. Similarly, we calculate value of BE na according to proveness. According to proveness, first calculate AD, then calculate a BE. So BE, value of BE. Value of BE is value of BE. BE means value of AD is 3 by 2 AG. So value of BE equal 3 by 2 BG. Similarly, value of BE 3 by 2 BG. 3 by 2 BG mention as it is. Equation second. By equation first and second. By equation first and second. Okay. And we adding equation first and second. So adding first and second, left hand side AD plus BE. AD plus BE, left hand side. Right hand side 3 by 2 AG plus 3 by 2 BG. 3 by 2 AG plus 3 by 2 BG as it is. Okay. Left hand side AD plus BE. AD plus BE as it is. Right hand side 3 by 2 AG, 3 by 2 BG. 3 by 2 AG, 3 by 2 BG. Okay. Now here left hand side AD plus BE. So AD plus BE. AD plus BE as it is. Here mention AD plus BE as it is. Okay. AD plus a BE here. AD plus BE. AD plus BE mention as it is. Right hand side 3 by 2 is common part. So 3 by 2 taking common. 3 by 2 taking common. Remaining part AG plus BG. Remaining part AG plus a BG. Okay. Remaining part AG plus a BG. Equation number third. Okay. Now but in triangle AGB. But in triangle AGB. Okay. Triangle AGB. In triangle AGB. Hint is given. What will be hint? Hint is given BG plus AG is greater than AB. Hint is given na? Hint is given AG plus BG greater than AB. Okay. So therefore according to given condition in triangle AGB, AG plus BG greater than AB. Okay. Given part. Given in question. Therefore right hand side 3 by 2 as it is. AG plus BG. So AG plus BG is greater than AB na. So mention AG plus BG greater than AB. Mention AG plus BG. 3 by 2 AG plus BG greater than 3 by 2 as it is, and AG plus BG AB. AG plus BG AB. Equation number 4. Therefore by equation third and fourth. By equation third and fourth. By equation third AD plus BE. AD plus BE mention as it is. Left hand side mention as it is. AD plus BE. AD plus BE. Right hand side 3 by 2 AG plus BG. So 3 by 2 AG plus BG replaced by 3 by 2 AB and greater than. It means 3 by 2 greater than AB. 3 by 2 greater than AB means this one is replaced by 3 by 2 AB and greater than. Okay. Equal convert into greater than. Left hand side AD plus BE. AD plus BE mention as it is greater than 3 by 2 AB. And this one will be proved. So hence okay. Again triangle ABC. AD, BE and CF intersect each other at G. So mention given part or mention to prove. What will be proof? Triangle AD, BE and CF median intersect each other at point G. We know that median divide line segment in 2:1. First AG upon GD, AG upon GD 2:1. It's reverse GD upon AG, GD upon AG 1/2. Adding 1 on both sides. Therefore, we calculate first value of AD. So value of AD is 3/2 AG. Equation number first. Similarly, value of BE is similar. Value of BE is similar 3/2 BG. By equation first and second, adding equation first and second, left hand side add left hand side, right hand side added in right hand side. AD plus BE left hand side, AD plus BE left hand side, right hand side. 3/2 AG plus BG, AG plus BG. Okay, 3/2 is common, AG plus BG. Given in question AG plus BG greater than AB. So AG plus BG replaced by AB and greater than. So by equation third and fourth, left hand side add as it is. AD plus BE greater than 3/2 AB. Hence a true. Okay, remaining question, try yourself. If you have any doubt, then comment your comment box. Then write your comment in comment box. Okay, thanks.